I checked out the MetaMask Rewards program, so you don't have to. I will go through everything with you together on what you need to know about the MetaMask Rewards program, what that has to do with Linea, what that has to do with the Mask token, and everything around that. What you're seeing in the background is the announcement video from MetaMask themselves. This is from their official X account. As always, I will put all the links down in the description so you can check out everything that I'm showing you here. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you're not missing any of those updates, because I know that a lot of you watching those videos are not subscribers yet, so make sure to do that. And now let's dive in. MetaMask Rewards Season 1 is now live. Over 30 million USD in rewards are up for grabs. Here's how you can secure yours. MetaMask Rewards works similarly to IRL loyalty programs you're familiar with. Trade, swap, bridge, and refer using MetaMask. Earn rewards with every action. Unlock new levels and benefits over time. We're gonna go through this in just a second. And this here is the quick summary. We're gonna go into some Q&A from Michael K from MetaMask, from the team, that will answer a lot of your questions, so bear with me. We talked about that, and now let's go to the official blog post. As I said, all the links are down in the description. Introducing MetaMask Rewards. They posted this 2 to 3 days ago, and the rewards are here. How does the points system work? Season 1 levels, you start with 0 points, that's origin, and you get no rewards. What a surprise. Then we have different levels with different names. Here, for example, Linea token allocation proportional to your total points claimable at the end of the season. This goes up to level 7, Utopia, 5 million or over 5 million points, a free MetaMask metal card for 1 year claimable at season's end, and all rewards from previous levels. So I'm not going to go into detail for all of those, but those are the different levels. You can check it out in the blog article. Now, how can you earn points? Swapping tokens gives you 8 points per 10 USD swapping on or across supported networks. Perps trades 1 point per $10 opening, closing, or executing take profit stop loss trades. Referrals give you 10 points for every 50 points your referrals earn through trading. Feel free to use my ref link. I will put it down in the description. That helps me and my channel. That keeps me motivated. And past activity, and this one is really interesting for a lot of you. 250 points for every $1,250 of past swapping and bridging, up to a total of 50k points per user. So this includes trades before October 15th, 2025. This means that you can get points for past activity up to 50k. You can add several wallets. We're gonna talk about that in a second, and they're going into this here as well. You can link multiple MetaMask accounts to combine points and make progress faster. Imported wallets and historical activity also count toward bonuses. But once you reach those 50k points with your historical wallets, you won't get any further bonuses if you add more wallets that would be eligible. So just in case you have more than the 50k with your different wallets, then maybe it makes sense to have this in different accounts. And also, what does that mean? If you get the 50k, then you're already in level 4 of 7. And this means a 50 discount on perps trading fees and all rewards from previous levels. So you get a couple of perks like boost on points and all that kind of stuff. Also more Linea tokens, of course, because you have the boost then, and less fees. Some rewards like points boosts and fee discounts are applied automatically or can be redeemed during the season. Others, like token allocations, are available after the season ends during a dedicated claim window. That makes sense that the percentage cut for the trading fees is redeemable instantly, basically, and the points or the tokens, you get that after the season. I think that makes sense. So if you have the 50k from historical activity, from past activity, then you directly have the discount on the fees, which is nice if you're planning to go in deeper. So how to get started with this? You need to do this through the mobile app. So you need to update your mobile app on iOS or Android so they want higher activity on their mobile wallets. Do with that what you will, but this is how it is. You need to have MetaMask Mobile, and with the version 7.57 or higher, then you need to open MetaMask and go to the Rewards tab in the bottom menu, opt into rewards, and then your accounts will stay enrolled. Trade crypto on MetaMask to start earning points. You'll see your points increase as you trade, easily track your progress levels and unlock rewards anytime. Don't forget to enter my referral link once you opt in, just as a little thank you for this video. Yeah, I think that's already it from the official start. Now let's talk about some of the opinions from people on X and what Michael K from the team is saying. There's this FAQ, I will link them down as well. You can check it out here. Right, so if you have any questions, like if I reach the highest level of MetaMask rewards, will my points be capped? No. How do I redeem MetaMask rewards points? What Web3 loyalty programs are there? And all that kind of stuff. You can check all those questions out here. If there's maybe some questions that you might have, they might be answered here. But now let's take a quick look on X. Not everyone is happy with that. The bullish trader posted the playbook. OpenSea, we're launching C, but after we farm you on worthless chests that ended up being literally worthless, Blur 2.0. MetaMask, we're launching Mask, but after we farm you through our new point system with 30 million in rewards, MetaMask has 30 million monthly active users. Yeah. That's just a tag, just quoting here to give you some sentiment from X. Also, Greeny Trades posted, nah bro, this ain't it, these greedy MFers. When you think of pioneers in crypto, you think of MetaMask and OpenSea. Both are now farming us, both chasing more reward systems, points, leaderboards, and bonuses. Who cares, man? Reward the people who built your foundation, the users, traders, and creators who made you relevant in the first place. MetaMask could have absolutely smashed this, reward historical wallets first, then gamify the new users, even give multipliers to OGs for sticking around and participating again. But no, another big L from another OG juggernaut that forgot who got them there. So, not happy as well. But what's funny is they still link their referral link anyways. Clever move. And now, what is Michael K saying from the team? By the way, I got a video on the several wallets that have tokens coming up. MetaMask is part of that. And I go into detail why I think that there's other wallets like Rabi or Rainbow where the airdrops might be way nicer for people, because this one here might be super diluted. Now they have this rewards program. So check out this video if you're interested in more wallets that will release tokens soon. So Michael K, he's from the MetaMask team. He's the senior business development manager from Consensus, product safety at MetaMask. And now he posts MetaMask rewards and the MetaMask token are two separate things. So that's important to notice. MetaMask Rewards was built to consistently reward use of MetaMask ecosystem. The MetaMask token has been announced but not released. The MetaMask token will be so much bigger than MetaMask Rewards. All right. And then he posted a long post as well, because there has been a lot of FUD, as you can see here. Now we're getting farmed again. So he posted this. OGs, degens, and anyone that used MetaMask Swap's bridge ever can earn up to 50k points from wallets that have at least $1,250 in volume. Let me know in the comments if you have wallets that are eligible for that. If you reach the 50k, how much points did you get in historic activity? And if you have 0 points or a lot of historical transactions, it will initially take time for your points to calculate and show up as data is fetched. Every point contributes to upcoming airdrops and gets you more rewards. Plus, there are no caps on amount of points earned. Starting off with the 30 million of Linea tokens. Okay, that's nice. There are tiers boosts. Both iOS and Android should have their update available. If you don't see the update, there's region restrictions for certain rewards, but based legal jurisdictions. which they don't have control over, but this is why MetaMask Rewards is constantly evolving. It's not available for extension just yet, but if you opt in on mobile and you do anything eligible on the extension, it will still earn points and show up in the mobile interface. So this one is a really important point. You need to sign up on mobile, but if you do something with that account in your browser extension, then it still counts for the rewards. We are working on hardware wallet support. Security is always top of mind, and we want to make sure it's done correctly with the minimal friction as possible. So I think that's a bummer that this is not working yet, but apparently they are working on this. Greatly appreciate everyone's input, patience as the ecosystem comes together. Myself and the rest of the team will do our best to assist. My DMs are open, or you can reply to this post. If you still have any questions, let me know. My take on this: it will completely depend on how the token distribution will look like once the MASK token is actually announced, how they reward the people that are now doing this rewards thing. I think it makes sense if you used MetaMask in the past, at least to try to get the bonuses for the historic data. I will not go in here and do any extra swaps or anything. I'm just gonna do my normal Web3 stuff. Maybe if I want to swap something, I will check out the fee structure on MetaMask versus other wallets or other providers such as Uniswap, for example, who, by the way, now partnered with Jupiter, so they also enable swaps on the Solana ecosystem. But yeah, let me know if you really want to go into this rewards program and actually go into this. I already got a couple of videos on OpenSea as well, because they have a similar rewards program going on. Make sure to check that one out, and I will give you an updated video as soon as we know more about the MASK token, if this is evolving. So keep an eye on my channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss this. And then once again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.